Hey folks, once again, it's Captain James Nelson here with Dude Craft Guitars, or should I be doing it like this? Yes, you could tell another lefty, a left-handed Mandy on this one. Check that out. I can hear it. It's ready. It's ready. Okay, so this is a sound demo, and that's basically what it's going to be. It's just a demo for the sound, so you could hear that it makes the sounds it should make. And in the hands of its rightful owner, which it should be going to here very shortly, it should sound like he's making music on it. It probably won't sound like that today. As you all know, I could barely play right-handed. Playing left-handed is really, yeah, it's not going to happen for me. So I'm going to play it upside down, which again is really, really hard. Chord shapes aren't that bad, especially bar chords, but trying to remember that this is down. So like arpeggios and scale runs are really, yeah. Which is why we make left-handed guitars, because no left-handed guitarist should have to go through what I'm trying to do with a guitar that's oriented for the other direction. It's not fair to them. And so we make left-handed guitars. We have a couple stock ones that we're making. And we'll, of course, make customs, as this one was. So, what can I say? It is a Mandy, so you are going to have dual humbuckers. All the details are going to be over there in the description. And, of course, the humbuckers can be split down to single coils. So, we've got that. This got a traditional whammy. This is actually an FMC whammy that we put on here, simply because there aren't a lot of left-handed, spring coil type big block whammies out there. You can get the ones with the real chintzy zinc blocks, which don't put those in your guitar. Let me just tell you right now, if it's made out of potted metal, don't put it in your guitar. I don't care who makes it, how expensive, and all the other stuff on top is. If it's got potted metal in the back, do not put it in your guitar unless you retrofit it to a steel block or a brass block or even titanium. You can, but that's all. That PSA of the day and scene. Okay, so back to this thing. Again, I feel bad because I'd really love to show more of what this thing can do. But I'm limited by what I can do. Doing like a dad-gad type tuning on these this way. Maybe that I could play. I don't know. I could barely play dad-gad going the other way. But there it is. So, what y'all think? Left-handed Mandy. In the natural open grain cinnamon Meranti. And I love it. I love it. I love making these guitars. What can I say? Thanks again, folks, for tuning in to Dude Craft Guitars.